Ola and Elizabeth, having freely and deliberately chosen each other as partners for life, will you please join your right hands?
Oh, girl, I only want to be with you. This thing we've been doing, girl, I know you.
Ola, you are entering a relationship with many privileges, but also many obligations. The woman you love is about to become your wife. In no way could she tell of her love for you as by her willingness to give up her independence and make her home with you. Your love will be her inspiration. Your joys will be her joys, and your sorrows will be her sorrows. Your family will become her family. Elizabeth, you too are entering a relationship with many privileges and obligations. The man you love is about to become your husband. He tells the world of his willingness to turn from all others to you alone for all of his life ahead. Your love will be his inspiration. Your joys will be his joys, and your sorrows will be his sorrows. And your family will become his family.
Girl, I know I'm in love.
I, Oladunjoy Durotoye,
Take you, Elizabeth Ogunkoye,
take you, Elizabeth Ogunkoya,
to be my wedded wife,
to be my wedded wife,
to have and to hold from this day forward,
to have and to hold from this day forward,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
in good times and in bad times,
in good times and in bad times,
and to be true to you alone,
and to be true to you alone,
till death alone parts us.
till death depart us.
I do so promise.
I do so promise.
Take me away with you, girl. Yeah. Can I call you baby? Sugar. Ara mi tu wa lọ́nà. Make I take you lolly. I don't need to be rude, yeah, baby. Oh my little one, but I want to on your face. Yeah, spend all my money, oh, fight for you like deadly, oh.